You going to jump?
Is that right?
I think so.
One,
Say REC.
2,
Can't read it.
3.
Well, you might want to check. So,
Yeah, you are very good at jumping. Whoa! Splash, splash, splash.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa!
Such a big baby. Just close your eyes. That's right. She's like jumping way in the
Whoa!
dog. Well done. Woohoo! She's going way under. Just close your eyes, honey, when you jump.
Ow!
It's okay. We'll close it. Close your eyes when you jump.
1.
Weed. Oh dear. Pull that weed.
Thank you.
Thank you, Madeline. Bye-bye, weed.
There you go, Malcolm.
Don't worry about the weeds. 1.
Wow, what a throw!
Her eyes are red. My eyes are too. It's very highly coordinated or something. Do you feel it?
I felt it too, Brenda, but the doors are still the same. Should just be drip feeding.
Oh, she wants to get that one.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, Susan, can you... Madeline, there you go. No, we don't. We'll go along there,
She wants to
everybody.
get those rings.
Here.
Okay, there we go. There's the rings. Okay, back in through the
Everybody,
steps.
I'll help you in, everybody. I'll help you in. Malcolm, Madeline.
In through the steps. Over at the steps.
Okay, I'll get rid of that. There you go.
Over the
They're all
steps.
gone.
Over the steps. Well done,
He's trying to
everyone.
get carefully doesn't scratch, please.
Splash, splash, splash.
Here we go. Wait.
Whee!
Should we do some swimming to the fountain and back?
Yeah!
Swim to the fountain and back. Come on, let's swim. There's some rings. Oh, yes, there's rings and sticks. Oh, there's rings and sticks. Let's swim. Well done.
Well, today is October 26th.
It's sleeping.
Tomorrow is Sunday, and I leave for home.
There's no water in the fountain.
The babies are now 2 years old.
Okay. Here, you can have the stick. Yeah. Okay, Malcolm, let's swim back.
Hi.
He knows he motors. Oh, let's swim back. Let's swim back. Let's swim back. Well done, Malcolm. He's swimming. Whee. Hi, honey. So did you go swimming in Scotland? Not Ian.
No, I didn't.
No swimming in Scotland. So what's today? October 25th?
25th. And we're in the pool.
We're in the pool, yay! We're in the pool, yay! Yay!
Hello! Yo!
Squat.
There we go.
Cough, cough.
Great. You're having fun now, then, Madeline. You're having fun. Silly bug. Oh, Malcolm's trying to pick up rings like me with his foot. Oh, he did it. He got it.
Wow.
He got it. Madeleine's jumping. He loves to jump. He loves to jump.
Whoa!
Oh!
Ooh, he's gotta pick him up with his feet. Hi, jump girl.
Like a stick.
Hi, jump girl. I know.
Whoa!
She really, You know, when we started swimming, we thought it was going to be him that would be water crazy, but it's her. It's her. Can you catch some rings from him?
Yes.
Dive, Dad,
Wow.
dive.
Whoa!
Dive for the rings.
There's some sticks. Splash. There's some rings.
Oh.
Do you want me to get the rings?
Okay.
Okay.